the first thing that you'll notice is the real cinemas. So whatever you see over here, all the LED displays, everything was executed over, I believe, 7 years, if I'm not mistaken. So even if when I look at it, I don't see any major flaws. And now we are approaching our latest project, which is JD Sports. When we touch the panels, it has a protection layer on top of it, which is basically a GOB LED screen. So it gives the added protection to the screen. We have less damages. This is what I mean. When you touch it, it has the added protection on top of it. You see Squat Wolf. Squat Wolf and JD were executed both at the same time. Turn towards the left now. That's where you see Converse. As we walk past Squat Wolf, JD Sports, Converse. Now when we look onto our left, we see Basketballista over there. This was executed over 5 years ago. So what we see in front of us is now Marks & Spencer. It was really challenging because we executed it during COVID period. And on the right, we look at Centerpoint. Again, similarly, this was more than 4 or 5 years back. We arrive at Sun and Sand Sports. All the signages that you see were done by us. And when we turn around, right over there, we see the famous Jordan logo. This was again done by us. So as we go down, on the left-hand side, we've got the Nike. So the screen was done by us. And on the left, if you look, we've done MAD and New Era. And this is Vans over here. What we see in front of us is the Cheesecake Factory and Pete's Coffee. So Under Armour, all the screens, all the signages were done by us, roughly 5 years old now. So on your left and the right, you look at the screen on the left and the right, those are connected with motors. And if we walk a little bit ahead, on our left side, we've done Louis Vuitton. So now we are approaching Rivoli. This store has just been renovated recently. So we have done some of the brand signages inside, as well as the main signage of the shop front. And now we are approaching Omega. So that's Omega on to my right. So now we are walking towards Cartier. Yeah, that's the Cartier side. You see, that's Damani. Again, done very recently, right about 6 to 8 months. Now we are coming towards Pierre Cardin. Must have noticed all the signs, most of them would be face illuminated. Now again, when you look on the right, that is Rivoli iZone. So on the right, we look at Dropkick. We've got the Virgin store, and then we've got the really big Nike store as well. And now we are going towards the Nike store. So that's the Pixel Pitch 23 LED screen. It's like a tape LED. It gives you that holographic kind of effect. So this is roughly 49 square meter of a LED screen that you're looking at. So the logo behind me, that's a 6-meter logo. Really challenging to install. It was done on the glass mullions. So just onto the right of Nike, if you see these kiosks, we've done multiple of these kiosks all across the New Fashion Avenue. So you see that we've got the marble at the bottom and the aluminum casing. So on my right, you can Foot Locker, only the signage is done by us. And if you look down, Balmain is also done by us. Part of the Boss rebranding, that's one of the stores that we executed. And on the top left, if you see, Creed recently renovated. But the one on the left, you see the Lego store, it's done by us. We just crossed past Lego, and on the right is Joe and the Juice. And just recently we did a major maintenance to it. So we brought the logo down, made sure all the LEDs are working fine, we changed all the drivers, and now it's working absolutely fine. So the unique thing about this logo is, again, it's one single piece, 6 meters in width.